Hello students, now we are going to proceed with our chapter iterations. Since all of you know that we have studied about the loop in which you all have studied fixed for loop, now we are going to do some programs for the for loop. See here there is a very first program for you all. This program is write a program to find the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to n. See students, now you all have to do program, and first you all have to find the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to n. N means the number of times what you all are going to input. See, this is from the scanner. We have taken class natural here, as you all public static void main string args scanner, then int a, n, a is for your loop, n is for the number of times, and s is for the sum. Okay, now we have print enter the value of n. N means the number of times the loop will run. See, here is a for loop for you all. A has been initialized with 1. Here is the condition, A will work till n is there, and A plus plus means the increment operator has been put here. Now we have to do sum of the 10 natural numbers. Suppose A is 1 first, 1 plus 0, the answer will come 1. Then again loop will work. Suppose we have input 5 here in the n. Then it will go again up, the n will become 2, then sum is your 1, and 1 plus 2 it will become 3. It means sum is now 3, and again we will proceed with the a will be 3, it means sum is 3, then 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, again we are going to do now our sum is 6, and when we will come to a it will be 4, then 4 plus 6 will be your 10. Again we will come here, 10 plus 5 it will be your 50. So your final answer will be the sum of natural numbers will be 15. Okay, students, you all have to copy down all the programs whatever the program has been given in the PPT in your class registers. Now next a program is there, write a program to find the sum of any 10 natural numbers. Now you have to find the program of any 10 natural numbers. Okay, the any 10 natural numbers means the class sum. Here we have is print scanner. Now we have 1, a 10, and a plus plus. The loop will work till number of times. See here. Now see here students, the change in the program is that here we have to put any natural number, any 10, and there the number was in the series. The see here how it has been changed. Here we have input n in between the for loop. And in the previous program the n was above the for loop. It was showing that you have to n was input for what, for that key we have to run the number of loops at that time, but in this n we have to put any number, then we have to do the sum of it. So s is equal to s plus n. Now here we will put the sum of numbers. Okay, now here this is a program, students pay attention towards there, because this program is directly asked in the board as it is. This write a program to find the sum of the series. The series program come to in your board directly as it is here. It means it program come in two part, the 15 number program. In this the series is there and pattern is there. Either you are going to get one pattern, one series, either two series or two patterns. Okay, now we are going to start with our series program. The first program is that 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 8, like that it will go n numbers of time. To find the sum of series we have to see, like we have to input here number of times n, and now s. See here, if we will see the series 2, 4, 8, it all are the power of 2, means 2 to the power 4, again power of 2, 8, 16. So here we have put, as you have previously studied about the math functions, s 1 plot, and I have told you that math functions are in double. Okay, so we have taken here double. s plus 1.0 divided by math dot power 2 to the power a. So we will get a sum here. So this is your sum of series program. Now here is the another series program. It is easy. Okay, see here s is equal to 1 minus, but see in between the sign is changing, 1 minus a plus a to the power 2 minus a to the power 3. See how it works. Here as we have input with the scanner, see here loop is there. If here we have put condition, if a module 2 is equal to 0, then math s plus math dot power a to the I, else s is equal to math minus math dot power a comma I, a to the power I. See here students, where there is power a, there where there is even number there is plus, and where there is odd number there is minus. It means in the even number you have to put plus sign, when the number comes in even you have to put plus sign, sum with the plus, and where there is odd number you have to put minus sign. Like that in the program it has been done. Here where there is even number, where I module 2 comes 0, we have put plus sign, and where I module as we have done minus sign. So we are lastly we are going to get sum of the series. So these are the student series program, and according to your for loop, copy down all the programs in your class registers very neatly and clearly. Pay attention towards there, because these programs are directly asked in your board. Okay.